Hey there, Florida gardeners. Ready to get your hands dirty and make your garden flourish this June? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I've got some fantastic planting tips just for you. So grab your gardening gloves and let's dig in. June in Florida is a prime time for planting a variety of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. The weather is warm, the days are long, and the soil is just right for growing. But what should you plant to make the most of this month? First up, let's talk about vegetables. If you're looking to grow some delicious, homegrown veggies, June is perfect for planting okra, eggplant, and sweet potatoes. Okra thrives in the heat and is super easy to grow. Just make sure it gets plenty of sunshine and water regularly. You'll be harvesting fresh okra in no time. Eggplants love the Florida sun too. Plant them in well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with shiny purple beauties all summer long. And don't forget about sweet potatoes. They're not only nutritious, but also super versatile in the kitchen. Plant the slips now, and by fall, you'll have a delicious harvest. Now, let's add some color to your garden with flowers. June is a great time to plant marigolds, zinnias, and periwinkles. These flowers are heat-tolerant and will brighten up your garden all summer. Marigolds are fantastic for keeping pests away and adding a pop of orange and yellow to your garden. Plus, they're super easy to grow from seeds. Zinnias are another great choice. They come in a rainbow of colors and are perfect for cutting and bringing indoors to enjoy. And don't forget periwinkles. They're tough, drought-resistant, and keep blooming even in the hottest part of summer. Last but not least, let's talk herbs. Basil, oregano, and mint are great to plant in June. They love the warm weather and will add fresh flavors to your summer recipes. Basil is my favorite. It's so versatile and perfect for making pesto or adding to salads. Plus, it's easy to grow in containers if you're short on space. So there you have it, folks. A garden full of delicious vegetables, vibrant flowers, and fragrant herbs, all ready to be planted this June in Florida. Remember, the key is to choose plants that thrive in our warm, sunny climate. Gardening is not just about growing plants. It's about creating a space where you can relax and enjoy nature. Happy planting, and see you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. See you in the garden.